Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying the Adt panel model and firmware, so you apply the correct steps. Next, power the panel from a stable source and bring your phone with the network credentials. Once done, check the router signal near the panel and write down the SSID and password. Make sure the router is on a common channel and 4 GHz is enabled because most panels require it. Now you're ready to enter the panel's network menu and start reconfiguration. You'll now open Settings and navigate to Network or Wi-Fi. Choose the 4 GHz network and enter the password exactly. Small mistakes are the common culprit. If the SSID is hidden, select Manual Network Entry and pick the correct security type, usually WPA2. After entering credentials, save and let the panel attempt to join. Watch status messages for authentication or IP assignment errors. If it fails, note the exact error so you can target the next troubleshooting step with precision. Finish by confirming the panel displays connected and lists a local IP address. This proves successful registration. If the signal is weak or intermittent, reboot both the router and the panel, then recheck connection stability for several minutes. If issues persist, try a temporary phone hotspot to isolate ISP versus panel problems, or change the router channel and disable any 5 GHz only settings. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.